Israel has built a system that can detect stealth aircraft without using radar. This game-changing technology called Sky Spotar can silently track enemy jets, drones, and even missiles from miles away, and no one even knows they've been spotted. Let's uncover how this invisible eye in the sky is changing modern warfare forever. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of Israel's most advanced and secretive defense technologies, the Sky Spotar system. Imagine a world where stealth jets, invisible to radar, can still be tracked with precision. Sounds impossible. Well, not anymore. The Israeli defense industry has developed a revolutionary system that sees the unseen using light, not radio waves. Sky Spotar is a passive electro-optical radar system, a new kind of eye in the sky that doesn't emit signals, but silently watches the skies using optical sensors. It detects aircraft, drones, and missiles by analyzing how they reflect sunlight, heat, and movement, all without revealing its own position. In today's video, we'll break down how it works, why it's so special, and how it's transforming Israel's air defense network. So buckle up, because we're about to enter a world where technology meets invisibility, and Israel once again proves why it's one of the most innovative defense powers on Earth. Sky Spotar is not a radar in the traditional sense. It's a passive electro-optical detection system created by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, one of Israel's top defense companies. Instead of sending out radar waves like conventional systems, Sky Spotar observes the sky using high-resolution cameras and infrared sensors. It collects light, heat, and movement data, then uses artificial intelligence to identify what's flying above. This means it can detect and track stealth aircraft, which are designed to avoid radar detection. Since Sky Spotar doesn't emit any signals, it's completely silent. The target has no clue it's being tracked. That's a massive advantage in modern warfare, where detection usually gives away position. The system continuously monitors the airspace, identifying even tiny changes in the sky's optical signature. Whether it's a fighter jet at high altitude or a small drone at low level, Sky Spotar sees it all. This technology is already integrated into Israel's multi-layered air defense network, working alongside systems like the Iron Dome and David's Sling. It's not just a detector, it's a game changer in how nations defend themselves in the age of stealth and cyber warfare. So, how does Sky Spotar actually see without radar? The secret lies in its advanced electro-optical sensors combined with AI-based image analysis. The system constantly scans the sky using powerful optical lenses and thermal cameras. These sensors detect even the smallest variations in light and heat, such as sunlight reflecting off an aircraft's surface or the thermal trace of a jet engine. Once detected, the onboard computer analyzes the data in real time. It compares these patterns to a massive database of known aircraft, drones, and missiles. Within seconds, it can determine what kind of object it's looking at, how fast it's moving, and where it's heading. The best part, because it doesn't emit radar waves, Sky Spotar cannot be jammed, tracked, or interfered with by enemy electronic warfare systems. This gives Israel an incredible strategic edge, a completely passive and undetectable surveillance system. Even under cloudy or dusty conditions, the AI continuously adjusts sensitivity to maintain accurate readings. Combined with long-range optics, Sky Spotar can monitor vast areas silently, precisely, and continuously, making it a cornerstone of Israel's next generation situational awareness network. The phrase, without radar, might sound strange. After all, radar has been the backbone of air defense for decades. But in modern warfare, radar has a weakness: it can be detected. When a radar beam hits a stealth aircraft, that aircraft's sensors can pick it up. This means the enemy knows they're being watched and can take evasive action. Sky Spotar eliminates that problem entirely. It's completely passive, meaning it never sends out a signal that could reveal its location. Instead, it watches silently from the ground or an elevated position, tracking everything through optical and thermal means. This stealthy advantage makes Sky Spotar perfect for detecting stealth jets like the F-35 or B-2, which are designed to evade radar. Even if a target uses radar-absorbing materials or electronic countermeasures, optical and thermal signatures can still betray its presence. In essence, Sky Spotar is the hunter that hunts invisible prey. It's one of the few systems in the world that can reliably detect stealth aircraft without revealing itself, making it a critical part of Israel's defensive and offensive strategy in modern air warfare. Israel's air defense network is famous worldwide, with systems like Iron Dome, David's Sling, and Arrow 3 creating layers of protection. But Sky Spotar adds something completely new: passive early detection. It doesn't shoot anything down. Instead, it provides the vital first step information. By detecting targets earlier and more accurately, Sky Spotar feeds real-time data into Israel's command and control centers. That data is then shared across the network, helping radar systems and missile batteries lock onto their targets faster. Example, if Sky Spotar detects a stealth drone approaching, it can immediately alert Iron Dome or David's Sling. Those systems can then prepare to intercept the threat even before radar detects it. This integration means Israel can see threats earlier, react faster, and stay hidden longer. In military terms, that's a massive tactical advantage. The combination of active and passive systems, radar and optics, makes Israel's defense network one of the most advanced and resilient in the world. Sky Spotar's role is simple yet powerful: to give Israel eyes that never blink and never reveal their position. It's no surprise that other countries are taking notice. Nations across Europe, Asia, and even the Middle East are reportedly showing interest in Israel's Sky Spotar system. In an era when stealth technology is spreading fast, from the US F-35 to China's J-20, traditional radar-based defense systems are struggling to keep up. A passive detection system like Sky Spotar offers something revolutionary: the ability to track stealth without escalating conflict. Since it doesn't emit signals, it's not considered an act of aggression. Unlike radar locking onto a target, which can be seen as hostile, this makes it attractive for border monitoring, base protection, and even civilian aviation safety. The system can also be integrated with drones or ground vehicles, offering a flexible defense option for both military and homeland security use. While Israel hasn't revealed all export details, and likely never will, experts believe Sky Spotar could soon become one of its most valuable defense exports. Following in the footsteps of the Iron Dome, its silent, invisible operation makes it ideal for any nation seeking advanced early warning without confrontation. Beyond the battlefield, Sky Spotar's potential goes far beyond. It's not just for detecting enemy jets. It can also be used to monitor civilian airspace, missile launches, and even space activity. Because of its ability to track small, fast-moving objects, the system can assist in anti-drone defense, one of the fastest-growing security challenges worldwide. In Israel, it's already being used to monitor sensitive borders and critical infrastructure sites like air bases and power plants. It provides continuous 360-degree coverage, feeding data to command centers in real time. For civilian use, Sky Spotar can detect unauthorized aircraft entering restricted airspace, helping prevent potential collisions or security breaches. It can even track the re-entry of space debris or rocket launches, contributing to aerospace safety. This flexibility shows that Sky Spotar isn't just a weapon, it's a multifunctional observation system. Whether it's defending against stealth bombers or tracking satellites, this system gives operators unmatched visibility and control. In a world increasingly filled with invisible threats, Sky Spotar represents the power of seeing everything without being seen. The real magic behind Sky Spotar lies in its fusion of optics, thermal imaging, and artificial intelligence. The system uses multiple types of sensors, visible light cameras, infrared detectors, and multispectral imagers, all synchronized to capture data from different wavelengths. Its AI software then fuses this data into one unified image, analyzing movement patterns, temperature differences, and even reflective properties. This fusion allows it to recognize an object's shape and behavior even from long distances or in partial visibility. Additionally, the system uses machine learning algorithms trained on thousands of flight patterns. This helps it distinguish between a bird, a drone, or a fighter jet instantly. Sky Spotar can also operate autonomously, scanning the sky 24/7, alerting operators only when it detects something unusual. It's designed to work in all weather conditions, day or night, with minimal maintenance. This combination of high-end optics and smart computing is what makes Sky Spotar stand out. It's not just hardware, it's a perfect marriage of human innovation and artificial intelligence, turning light into the ultimate defense tool. The rise of Sky Spotar marks a shift in how nations approach air defense. In traditional warfare, radar dominance decided who saw first and who survived. But now, in an era of stealth and electronic warfare, passive detection is becoming the new frontier. Israel's system proves that visibility doesn't depend on sending signals anymore. It depends on interpreting the environment. This kind of innovation forces other nations to rethink their stealth strategies. If stealth jets can be seen without radar, their main advantage disappears. Sky Spotar also enhances joint operations. By silently sharing detection data with radar systems, it allows for more accurate targeting while minimizing exposure. That means fewer false alarms, faster reaction times, and greater survivability for both aircraft and defense crews. In future conflicts, the side that sees first will still win. But now, that vision won't come from radar. It'll come from systems like Sky Spotar, which redefine what it means to control the skies. Looking ahead, Israel's Sky Spotar represents the future of silent defense technology. As artificial intelligence and sensor precision continue to improve, the system will become even more accurate, compact, and powerful. Future versions may be mounted on aircraft, drones, or even satellites, creating a global network of passive surveillance capable of tracking anything, anywhere. Rafael is already exploring upgrades that use quantum optics and adaptive learning, which could allow Sky Spotar to identify threats even through camouflage or atmospheric distortion. In the long run, this technology could change how wars are fought, replacing noisy radar waves with invisible light-based intelligence. It's not just about detecting threats, it's about staying one step ahead. Sky Spotar proves that the future of defense isn't louder or brighter, it's smarter, quieter, and more precise. Israel's innovation shows how the balance of power in the skies is shifting from those who fly unseen to those who can see the unseen. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who love military tech. Tell us in the comments, do you think Sky Spotar is the ultimate counter to stealth aircraft? See you in the next video. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep watching the skies.